Today we are here in BGC. This is Ninth Avenue. And yes, you know where we are? We are here in Uptown Malls. Yes, let's get ready.
Be strong and let your heart take courage. All you who wait for the Lord, fear not, for I am with you. We started our journey from Makati to BGC via public transport and walking. So let's start this journey. From Makati, I walked towards the nearest jeepney stand, and you can also take a BGC bus from Ayala. But jeepney stand is actually near to my residence, so we picked jeepney. So we reached here by walking because jeepney actually stop in Guadalupe station. And now reached here 32nd Avenue, and this is the BGC. So welcome to BGC. We were actually waiting for the BGC bus, but we couldn't. So if you have any idea, please drop a comment in the comment section because it's too comfortable and it directly reach you to the BGC because we changed public transport and then switched to walking because jeepney actually stopped us in Guadalupe. And from Guadalupe to BGC, we walked for 10 minutes. A little tip from me, I use this Google Maps on my Apple Watch while vlogging because my phone was occupied for vlogging and it really helped me follow the route without constantly checking my phone, and it made moving around, capturing footage and keeping track of directions super easy. So there was a direction like merge onto 32nd Street, turn left onto 9th Avenue. So you have to walk 750-meter and then 400-meter and then turn right, and then after 10-meter walk you are here at the Uptown Mall. So this is all about the follow route you have to follow on your iWatch step. You can also set your shortcuts and you can also set all the information what you needed. You are going via public transport, you are going via walking, you are going your own vehicle. You can also set here like travel mode, walking, driving, public transport. So we have chosen public transport and walking, so we have actually added this shortcut in home and work, the destination and the arrival. At last, my Apple Watch saying me that the destination is 5-meter walk away. And as I started walking closer, I saw these beautiful buildings. These are residential buildings, and there is also the football court. So there were many kids were playing. And as I started walking closer, the first thing I saw this beautiful yellow warm lights decoration. So it's a kind of pathway you can enter into the Uptown Mall via this way. So this is the view in front of Uptown Mall. There are very broad road in BGC. So as I started walking closer, the first thing I saw this beautiful path decorated with yellow warm lights. Look at this beautiful place, and this area feels premium, you know. And guys, as I started walking closer this beautiful mall, the first thing I saw, what was that? It was a beautiful glass buildings around the uptown. And this area feels premium. It literally so amazing. And at the top of this uptown mall, there's a Starbucks coffee. This area feels premium, stylish offices. The Uptown Mall is surrounded by the stylish offices. There's a Tesla, there's many more offices and buildings you can find. There are many more stylish cafe, restaurant, and people just enjoying their time after office hours. And then finally, you know, look at this beautiful waterfall and yes, these huge LED TV. And I like the most the structure of this tree. Look at the structure of this tree, how it is standing. And then finally, the entrance of Uptown Mall appeared like a glowing crystal palace. It's so mesmerizing, decorated beautifully for Christmas 2025. And I must say, the entrance itself is so magical. Huge Christmas trees, sparkling fairy lights, these huge LED, golden ornaments, and this waterfall, even an angel decoration welcoming visitors. And you know what I observed? It was actually in the shape of oval or in the ship shape. What I observed, and each floor was decorated with these huge warm lights. So it was actually give me a vibe of I am attending any Indian wedding. It was so warm light and it was so warm feeling. I mean, yes, I have no words, and it was so mesmerizing moment for me. I was actually walking around this uptown mall. Look at this huge Christmas tree. It is so amazing. Look at this view. I mean, oh my god. It is actually surrounded by the many famous spots and many famous office building. In front of Uptown Mall, there's a Tesla building. And yes, you know guys, one thing I love is that Uptown Mall has multiple entrances. Each one feels like a different mode, and some entrances open directly to cafe and some to escalators and one towards a rooftop area.
Today we are here in BGC Uptown Mall, and yes, we are here in front of Uptown Mall and we have visited. This is so beautifully Uptown Mall, and look at this, how beautifully they have decorated this Uptown Mall. So yes, let's enjoy this vlog, and yes, let's start it. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel, and yes, if you already subscribe my channel, don't forget to hit the like button. Look at this.
वो चालू हो रहा है
Woo! Wow! ये आँख ही बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं। वाह! हीट है और पता है, नहीं नहीं देखो तो ये कितना ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है। हाँ, आओ तो ऊपर आओ, ऊपर आओ। वाओ, ये कैसे छोड़ रहे हैं ये लोग? ये कोई गैस होती है ना? अच्छा, बताओ, पानी के बीच में आग लगा रखी है। ये तो नई चीज देखी है, ये तो मैंने दुबई में भी नहीं देखी थी। इसके साथ बना ले अपटाउन मॉल के साथ। बहुत सुंदर आया है यार। वाओ, मिल गया कुछ तो सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। अभी भी चलेगा बहुत देर तक।
I was so impressed with this waterfall and firework. You know, it's a combination of fire and water together. You can actually enjoy it in front of Uptown Mall at 7:30 p.m. of this Uptown Mall. This is so unique. This is the first mall I have seen, and the firework and the waterfall. This was so amazing combination I have seen first time.
फिर वो गंदा आ जाता है। चलो अच्छा ठीक है। वो देखो कैसे चल रहा है। इसको इधर से बनाते हैं थोड़ा।
Uptown Malls has four main floors and each floor has its own vibe. So ground floor is full of luxury and premium brands. Second floor is full of boutiques and lifestyle stores. And third floor is full of more dining and entertainment. And fourth floor is Uptown Parade area for clubs, bars and rooftop restaurant and the famous fire show. So I have also been there to check rooftop restaurant. It was so amazing. So let's go to the rooftop restaurant. As I walked inside this uptown mall, so you know guys, the entrance itself is so magical. It's a different story. And yes, I entered into this beautiful mall. So yes, welcome to the uptown mall. And and it has actually decorated with this beautiful tree. Guys, Uptown Mall is one of the most beautifully designed malls in BGC, and its infrastructure feels ultra modern and luxurious, you know, and it is also decorated during the Christmas 2025 season with fully unique style. And look at this beautiful huge Christmas tree, and the theme is totally based on the snowy white and yellow warm lights. Look at this, and at the top of this Christmas tree, there's an angel sitting on the Christmas tree. So this is so amazing. And yes, look at these angel guys. This is so lively. Oh my god, it looks like they are welcoming the visitors. Oh my goodness, this is the first time actually I'm looking this beautiful angel surrounding by this Christmas tree. These are not one, these are actually four to five angels. And yes, these are looking so lively. Their dresses, their feather is actually moving. Oh my god. They are well dressed. all the angels mannequin are well dressed, and the theme of this Christmas tree is so unique. They have decorated this Christmas tree on the theme of the ice, snowy, and yellow warm light. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree. Oh my god. So they have described about this angel. So Michael Leah is Reno Filipino fashion designer known for his romantic and feminine outfits. So this year Uptown Mall angel were actually decorated by this famous fashion designer, and so they have given this credit to the fashion designer. You know, guys, Uptown Mall is one of the most beautifully designed malls in BGC, and its infrastructure feels ultra modern and luxurious. And look at this beautiful, the longest palm tree. So I was just touching, and I was just want to touch, like, is this real or is it fake? Because it inside the wall. So yeah, these are so amazing because it gives you an idea like how you can decorate your indoor with the real plants. So yes, the whole place is a mix of glass, steel, soft lighting, open atriums, and futuristic architecture. So when you walk inside, the mall doesn't feel closed. It looks like it doesn't feel like, yeah, it is so closed. It feels like an urban resort, but inside a city. So like inside a city, you can feel the vibe of resort. So the ceilings are high and the corridors are wide. Look at this. There's so natural light coming through the glass panels, which makes everything look like premium. And Uptown Mall has 4 floors. So this is the first floor where I'm heading. And you know, guys, each one has its own aesthetic. And this was a ground floor. And it is full of luxury and flagship stores, wide walkways, and yes, premium cafe. As you can see, like there are many premium cafe you can find here. And on the first floor, you can find the different, I think, outlets like the brands. So most luxurious feeling you can feel here. So this is the glass outlet, and there are many brands available on the first floor, like fashion brands. There are cosmetic, lifestyle boutique. The floor is actually shopping zone where most people walk and browse. It also gives you the vibe of outdoor mall. So this is the main, and this is the entrance and exit gate. Here you can actually sit and enjoy your coffee. I have like there are many entrance and exit gate. So this is the escalator gate. You don't need to come like from the another gate. Here you can use the escalator and directly go to the another floor and also go to the rooftop area. So this is the view from this Uptown Mall. So you know how it is located. It is actually in the center, and uh, it is surrounded by the office building. The huge office building is so much visible. It looks like it is just near to the Uptown Mall. So I like this view actually. Here you can view, the outdoor buildings view, it doesn't look like you are in a closed area, because most of the malls are, they are based on the closed area, but it is so different what I feel. So the floor is the shopping zone and where most people can walk and they can browse. So this is the open area. I like this open area of every mall. Even the Green Belt Mall is one of my favorite in the list, because it doesn't feel me like I'm in the closed area. It feels like I'm in, literally it feels like I'm in a forest. And the cafe in the Greenbelt Mall is so amazing. Even whenever I would like to have some coffee, I usually go to the Greenbelt Mall, because this gives me an amazing feeling. It actually apart me like from the urban area. Within the urban area, you can feel like something green vibe. So these are the waterfall, and it looks like from the first floor. How it looks like, you can get an idea. So it is so amazing. So infrastructure is very amazing actually. So this floor actually directly connects to the rooftop church. On the rooftop, there's a church and chapel and many restaurants. These are the open restaurants. So it gives you a different vibe and nightlife area. So there are many restaurants. Here you can check out the like the cost of the each dishes, how they are serving. So they are the very premium brands. You can check out here, and this is the actually first floor and how it looks. And you know guys, because this was the last point where I'm standing, so I actually wanted to capture the whole scenario, the whole beautiful building of this mall. So I tried my best. I just pulled out my body and how I fixed this angle to capture this view of the uptown mall. This was so difficult, but actually I wanted to have this click because it was so amazing. I wanted to like, if someone is actually watching my video, so they must have that idea that how it looks like from the outside. So it is so amazing. If you have never been there, you must visit this mall. The architecture and the infrastructure is very organized. Look at this view. Look at this view. It looks like there's a veil. There's a veil. So something is covered with a veil of yellow lights, yellow bright lights. It looks like this. However, during the Christmas time, the beauty of all the malls enhances because of the yellow warm lights and the decoration. Otherwise, you can't feel the vibe of these, or you can imagine the beauty of this mall apart from the Christmas day. So this is a huge Christmas tree outside this Uptown Mall they have placed here, and along with this they have also located here a huge LED TV. So these are all the food outlets here. You can have your meal because this is the actually weekday I have visited this Uptown Mall. So this was a Wednesday. So there were many office colleagues who were having their meal in the many restaurant. So look at this. I was actually discussing about the infrastructure, and look at this beautiful, I mean, architecture of this beautiful mall. So amazing. Yes. So now actually I'm planning to go on the third floor, which directly connects to the rooftop. So how from the third floor, how it looks like from the third floor, let's get it.
Like what? This connects
चलो ठीक है,
directly
हाँ
to
उस
the
साइड से बना
rooftop,
देंगे फिर।
churches, restaurants, and nightlife areas.
इसको थोड़ा ऐसे करना पड़
It
रहा है, इसके लिए
also
थोड़ा ब्लर हो जा रहा
greets
है।
you with the
इसकी
beautiful
1 मिनट की
bridge
थोड़ी सी बना लेते हैं वीडियो।
and the fire and the water show. Uptown Mall may look small from outside, but from inside it has a long list of
अच्छा बना है लेकिन बहुत।
Premium
चलो,
and
बहुत
popular
सुंदर बना है ये।
brands. Some of
आ
the
जाओ।
well-known ones include Michael Kors,
लग रहा था देखने में, ये जो इन्होंने इसके ऐसे ऐसे
Kate
डिजाइन बनाई है ना, वो
Spade
बहुत
and
सुंदर लग रही है।
Coach and Lokeska, Poste. Guys, here you will see the escalator view. So the escalator in Uptown Mall are one of the highlights. These are the highlights. So they are located
Even the
in
fashion
a open
outlets, there are
area. So
many
they are
fashion
placed in a way that
outlets
you
and
can
tiny
see the
mini
entire
restaurants and
atrium below the
trendy
smoothly
cars
moving up.
moving
So
up.
these are the
So it's
most
open
I
escalator.
mean
Most
glass
trendy
railings,
restaurant
light
here in the
decorated
Prime
floors,
Revenue,
Christmas
Starbucks.
decoration. Everything
Starbucks
becomes a
is like
panoramic
it's so
view
common.
when you are on the
So we are
escalator.
actually heading
And
towards the
look at this view. This is
third
so
floor.
amazing. And from
And
third floor,
the
we will head
visible and
and the
towards
visibility is
the
so clear.
rooftop.
You can see
So it is
the
so
building and pleasant and
everything,
so
so lively.
lively while moving up on the escalator.
So
So
many
this is the
cafes and
another
bakeries. There's a
entrance. You
shop,
can
and you
directly
know,
use the escalator to
लाइन से
go
सारी गाड़ियाँ खड़ी है टेस्ला
towards
की।
the first floor, second floor, third floor, and towards the rooftop. And this is the Tesla
हाँ, आगे उस
showroom.
रास्ते में तो सन्नाटा क्यों है? वो क्या बना हुआ है? बिल्डिंग अच्छी अच्छी आ रही है। तुम बैठे ही नहीं रहते हो कहीं भी। ठीक है, बैठो यहाँ पे बैठो। तो कुछ खा पी लो। हाँ हाँ, जा रही हूँ। आती हूँ मैं। टॉप फ्लोर में।
And if you want aesthetic B-roll, then this is the spot. Do not miss this spot because building and the uptown, the parachute, these are so visible from these escalator. So if you are trying to visit these uptown mall, do not miss this spot. Seriously, this is so aesthetic. It looks like you are literally in Dubai or Singapore because it is so open escalator and everything is visible. So now I'm heading towards the rooftop and chapel area. And when you reach this top rooftop area, it is so calm. It's so silent, so breezy, and so open. And look at this beautiful Christmas. They have decorated with different color. It looks like it is giving a hope in your their life. If you are stopped, if you are stuck something in your any problem, it gives you a hope to move ahead in your life to get success. So this is the Christmas tree. It is just near to the chapel and there are many Filipino who are praying. So actually it was so calm, so breezy, and this rooftop area looks like you can actually do meditation here. So you will find the Saint Gabriel and Archangel Chapel. This is the name, which is stunning in its simplicity, and it's located in the center of this mall and surrounded by the clear glasses. So the chapel is so amazing, and the infrastructure and architecture of this chapel is so amazing. I was it is so mesmerizing after look this beautiful chapel. It is located in the middle of this mall. So the rooftop actually pathways connect to Uptown Parade, and from here you get a wonderful view of the city lights and skyline. You can even sit because many of the people who were sitting there, they were hanging out, so you can sit, relax, and enjoy the ambience. So yes, enjoy this beautiful ambience and the chapel prayer. This is so stunning. Literally, I can say in a short words that this is so amazing. You can feel it, the very lively version of the forest, water, fire. It's a combination of greenery, water, and fire. And the shape of this uptown mall is so amazing. Look at these spots. I mean, these are the so aesthetic scenes they have indulged in the beauty of this uptown mall. So you can enjoy your meal here in outside area, and you can feel the vibe of this aesthetic spots. So this is an open restaurant. Here you can find the number of restaurant, and with the chapel prayer, and everyone was sitting there, and the rooftop is actually decorated with the warm yellow lights. It looks so amazing. Literally, I am again telling you, like it looks like I'm in any Indian wedding. People actually spend more than 30 lakhs in a single Indian wedding. So it's there's no comparison actually. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. It looks like yes, I'm actually entering into a huge Christmas festival 2025 here in Philippines. So during Christmas, the entire mall transfers. Not only the single mall, but entire mall transform into a holiday village. So the tourists who are actually planning to visit, because I am looking many tourists here in Makati. Even in my residence, I'm looking at very new face, very new nationals here in my residence. So the tourists can see a giant Christmas tree decorated with warm golden lights. Because if there's a question arises in their mind, why should I visit Philippines country during the Christmas? So it is a place, it is a literally it is a place where you must spend your holidays, and you can actually come here with your family, with your friend, and a giant Christmas tree decorated in every single mall with the warm golden lights. And yes, here I have also observed the beautiful angel sculpture. So guys, this is all about the mall, and now this is the food court. Here you can find the different food outlet and you can enjoy it. Okay, so now I'm going outside from this food court, and I'm going to downward. And yeah, this was so amazing.
Wives, these entertainers were drinking wine from it. They praised their gods of old and silver, bronze and iron, wood and stone. Suddenly,
as we were so close to the Uptown Mall, as I
So this
started
area
walking closer
feels
to this
very
mall,
premium, stylish
the first thing
offices,
I
cafe,
saw that
restaurant,
this mall is
and you know,
surrounded by
one
the
of the most
official building
amazing
and
thing, people
residential
just
building.
enjoying their
And in the
time with
middle
their
of this,
families
there's
and
also
office
a
colleague
garden.
and their
So
friends.
I saw this beautiful glass building around Uptown. This is so amazing. And and the most unique part of this Uptown Mall, they has many different unique entrance. So this is the another entrance, and there's a flight because guys, Manila airport is Naya airport is so near to the BJC. So this is the reason flight is very clear. Even I don't understand, like Naya airport is also near to the Makati, because whenever I see any flight, it is so much visible to the Makati also. So this is the street in front of the Uptown Mall, and this is the another entrance. Okay, I'm gonna show you this entrance how it looks like. And I must say, like, if you are a tourist and if you are planning to visit and if you want to celebrate your Christmas with your family, friends, must visit here in Philippines, because there this is the place with full of light, with full of Christmas tree, with full of vibe, with the clean air, with the cleanest street, with safest. And guys, here you can actually hang out with different nationals also, because the locals are so warm. They welcome with open hearted. They always put a smile. So this actually one more important factor here, like everyone, the local actually understand the English language. So it is like tourist friendly country, and it is also budget friendly country. So I will also add, like, budget, like how much you have to spend if you are trying to visit Makati to BGC to Quezon City, because there's also MRT and LRT route. So you can also opt these MRT and LRT route to travel here in many cities. Okay, so this is the another entrance, and this is the view of the Uptown Mall from the another side. So if you want to go to the Uptown Parade, so there's a connecting bridge also provided here in Uptown Mall, but we don't want to go there, so we have chosen this beautiful street view. And look at this, they also give a beautiful message in their Christmas festival. So it's written here joy, and there is hope. So guys, if you have hope to do anywhere, you can do anything, whether it has so much hurdle. So yes, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video to your friends.